guys, I want to do some stuff to my truck. One of the first things I want to do to it is exhaust. I think I want to do some exhaust work on this truck. Here's what I'm thinking about. This is factory, okay? Listen. Shit. That's factory. Now I've heard a lot of the Nissan Titans with exhaust work done to them. They sound pretty good. I don't want it to be glass pack sound. I had that. I've had that as a kid, you know, as a teenager. I want the deep hot rod sound. So I'm probably gonna go with something like a Flowmaster or something like that. So any of you other hot rodders out there, see what you think. And here's the thing, I have to be careful with how I run my exhaust, because I can't do true duals where they dump out each side of the back, because I have that step on the driver's side. So it's kind of right in the way. What I may end up doing is keeping one single pipe. Just putting like I don't know, 50 series or 40 series, well, what am I trying to say here? If I'm a words people, help me. Flowmaster on it. What do y'all think? I mean, I just want that rumbly sound. I don't want the crackling sound. I want the rumble. And I like the way the truck sounds now. And I can't wait, because I'm going to put a Nismo cold air intake on this thing. Everything I've seen, the Nismo gets all the juice out of this baby that, you know, you can get with just putting a cold air intake on it. So I'm going to do that. We're going to do that this summer. I'm going to change out headlight bulbs to HIDs. I had HIDs on my Flex, loved them. I like that pure white look. And no, you heard what I said, the pure white look. I do not like the blue, and I do not like any other colors other than pure white. Anyway, so I'm going to do that. What I'm wanting to do, and here, I'm going to throw this at you, okay, while we're talking about my truck. I want to make it into a pre-runner. And a good friend of mine, his son, me and him been talking about it. He's a big Nissan fan. He loves, of course, he's got a Nismo Frontier. Good looking little truck. But it's a kind of a pre-runner deal. And that's what I want to do, is kind of a pre-runner deal. Maybe even put a light bar on top, on the front right here around the windshield part of the truck, but you know, keep it out of line of sight. One of the things people complain about on Nissans is how on the Titan it kind of nosedives in the front end. We're going to do a 2-inch lift on the front, and then I can give you some kind of meaty tires to put under it, and go from there. Let me know what you think. What you think about the ideas. Oh yeah, the truck's black. So what I'm going to do, I don't know if you can tell. Shit. I mean, crap. We'll bleep that word out. What I'm going to do is I want one of the distressed gray American flags to go on the hood. So that's going to happen too. So let me know what you think about the exhaust part. And you got hot rod guys that are out there that may watch my channel, or you know, you're outdoors guys but you're hot rod guys on the inside like me. What do you think about the Flowmaster deal? Just doing a 50 series or a 40 series. I don't know which one I want to go with. I don't know which tone would be the right tone. So that's why I'm asking. You know, 40 series, 50 series, if I keep it a single output, which I'm thinking that's what I want to do, and just kind of tuck the exhaust up a little bit where you can't see, you can barely see the tip. I don't even care for it to have a chrome tip on the damn thing. I really don't. I don't care if there's a tip on it. just barely see the exhaust, and it's shooting down to the ground, so it's really getting the most ultimate sound. I mean, the truck inside sounds good to me, but I want to hear a little more. I want to hear it a little bit more, but I just don't want that full open exhaust sound. You get what I'm saying? Good. It's taking too long.